بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وظللنا عليكم الغمام وأنزلنا عليكم المن والسلوى كلوا من طيبات ما رزقناكم وما ظلمونا ولكن كانوا أنفسهم يظلمون.
And we shadowed you with clouds and sent down to your manna and quails, saying, eat from the good things which we have provided you. And they wronged us not, but they were wronging themselves.
وإذ قلنا ادخلوا هذه القرية فكلوا منها حيث شئتم رغدا وادخلوا الباب سجدا وقولوا حطة نغفر لكم خطاياكم وسنزيد المحسنين.
And recall when we said, enter this city and eat from it wherever you will in ease and mountains, and enter the gate bowing humbly and say, relieve us of our bonds. We will then forgive your sins for you, and we will increase the doors of good in goodness and reward.
فبدل الذين ظلموا قولا غير الذي قيل لهم فأنزلنا على الذين ظلموا رجزا من السماء بما كانوا يفسقون.
But those who wronged changed those words to statements other than that which had been said to them. So we sent down upon those who wronged a punishment from the sky because they were definitely disobeying.
وَإِذِ اسْتَسْقَى مُوسَى لِقَوْمِهِ فَقُلْنَا اضْرِبْ بِعَصَاكَ الْحَجَرَ فَانْفَجَرَتْ مِنْهُ 12 عَيْنًا قَدْ عَلِمَ كُلُّ أُنَاسٍ مَشْرَبَهُمْ كلوا واشربوا من رزق الله ولا تعثوا في الأرض مفسدين.
And recall when Moses prayed for water for his people. So we said, strike with your staff the stone, and there gushed forth from it 12 springs, and every people knew its watering place. Eat and drink from the provision of Allah. And do not commit abuse on the earth, spreading corruption.
وَإِذْ قُلْتُمْ يَا مُوسَى لَن نَّصْبِرَ عَلَىٰ طَعَامٍ وَاحِدٍ فَادْعُ لَنَا رَبَّكَ يُخْرِجْ لَنَا مِمَّا تُنبِتُ الْأَرْضُ من بقلها وقثائها وفومها وعدسها وبصلها قال أتستبدلون الذي هو أدنى بالذي هو خير اهبطوا مصرا فإن لكم ما سألتم وضربت عليهم الذلة والمسكنة وباءوا بغضب من الله ذلك بأنهم كانوا يكفرون بآيات الله ويقتلون النبيين بغير الحق ذلك بما عصوا وكانوا يعتدون.
And recall when you said, O Moses, we can never endure one kind of food. So call upon your Lord to bring forth for us from the earth its green herbs and its cucumbers, and its garlic and its lentils and its onion. Moses said, what do you exchange? What is better for what is less? Go into any settlement, and indeed you will have what you have asked. And they were covered with humiliation and poverty of return with anger from Allah upon them. That was because they repeatedly disbelieved in the sign of Allah and killed the prophets without right. That was because they disobeyed and were habitually transgressing.
إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والنصارى والصابئين من آمن بالله واليوم الآخر وعمل صالحا فلهم أجرهم عند ربهم ولا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون.
Indeed, those who believed and those who were Jews and Christians are Sabians before Prophet Muhammad, those among them who believed in Allah and the last day and did right acts. Fear will there be concerning them, nor will they grieve.
وإذ أخذنا ميثاقكم ورفعنا فوقكم الطور خذوا ما آتيناكم بقوة واذكروا ما فيه لعلكم تتقون.
And recall when we took your covenant, O children of Israel, to appeal by the Torah, and we raised over you the mount, saying, take what we have given you with determination, and remember what is in the that path, for you may become righteous.
صدق الله العظيم.